Hello, welcome to my new video. So, what does it mean by significant TDF, significant two-tail? This is an independent sample t-test result by IBM SPSS Statistics. Keep watching this video till end, and in this video I will explain in details how to input your data, then analyzing process, and finally how you will interpret for your research project. For that, we have to know some basic statistics and hypothesis. Okay, this is my one of research project that I carried out recently. Here you can see the research questions and the hypothesis. Now we have to understand clearly these at first, thus you will understand better for your result interpretation. Research questions. Are there any significant differences in attitude levels of cognition, affection, and behavior tendency? Here, cognition, affection, and behavior tendency was my three dependent variables. I mean three separate scales. Then my independent variable was young adults of public and private university students. So now, hypothesis. Hypothesis here, null hypothesis says there are no significant differences, and in the alternative hypothesis says there are significant differences. Now we have to know that what what the mean of null hypothesis in alpha value. Okay, p equal to 0.05, and it will be p equal to higher than 0.05. And null hypothesis in alpha value, p equal to lower than 0.05. So this is alpha value, and we need to know this is calculated value. It's called calculated value, and that is alpha value. So what's the difference? I will explain in this video. Keep watching. If you understand clearly the difference of p value and calculated value, then you will be able to interpret. Otherwise, it will be very confusing. So now I'm showing to you how you will input your data. Here is a data view and variable view. Okay, here is my sum of variable, and in the last I have to here is the three separate variable. This is dependent variable of my research questions, cognition scores, and affection score, and behavior tendency score. Here is the one data, one data sum of cognition score, and sum of affection score, and sum of behavior tendency score for one person. you know then we have to go analyze. Next we have to go independent sample t-test, and now we have to specify what is our independent variable and what is our dependent variable. Otherwise you will not understand. So in my research, university students was my independent variable and their gender was also my one of independent variable, but I want to see the effect of university students. So at first I have to specify university. Okay, define group. There was two type university in my research. One is public university and here is second is private university. Okay, now I have to input dependent variable. Here is three dependent variable. Okay, cognition and affection and behavior tendency. Okay, now just click on the OK. Okay, you can see here the SPSS result. There is a significant T and DF and significant two tail. So it is significance level 0.000. That means I describe here when our p value lower than 0.005, then our alternative hypothesis is accepted. That means in this research there are significant differences are noticeable. So if I summarize the main point again, this is calculated value and we can see here the significant level is lower than 0.05. So in my research, there are significant differences among university students. Thank you for watching for this video and keep connected with me and wait for the next interpretation by me.